What's up, guys? Welcome back to Haley's Adventures. Today I'm gonna be making, here's your first hint. I'm gonna be opening this mystery box. I'm kidding. So this is your second clue. Then these are your clue. Then this. Then and then we are making slime today. So yeah, we could just start. Okay, so today we're making slime. I'm gonna make like a fluffy pink slime, like a strawberry fluffy slime. This is a new bottle. Should I add the whole thing or half? I think half is good. Oh, this is a smaller bottle. I think the whole bottle's better. That's enough. It's like stopping. Hello? Can you just stop? It's super hard. You just gotta go. That's how pros do it. Anyways, next, well, when I'm doing fluffy slimes, next I usually like to add the shaving cream. So this is a new bottle, I think, so I'm gonna shake it up a little to the right, a little to the left. Time to add it. I'm just gonna add. That's how much I'm gonna add today because I don't want to over activate it. And I learned that using shaving cream, that can actually activate slime. So it can over activate, I think, if you add too much shaving cream. Whoa, look at how fluffy that is. Look it's like a cloud. Next, I need to add my color. Because if you add it when the slime's made, you'll have to mix it in with your hands because the fork won't work. We should probably add that after. Or we might not even need it since this is white. So then we're just gonna add about 3 drops because I'm making it pink. But this is really strong, so I'm just gonna do a dab. 2 dabs. Oh gosh, that is 4. And we might need to add white. Oh gosh, yeah, that is bad. That's looking good. I love the strawberry color. I added in too much shaving cream, didn't I? That looks like yogurt.
You want to eat it?
No glue slimes. You can make edible no glue slimes. Time for activator. I don't know why. I thought I already added the activator and that's why I was stirring it. Oh, that looks good. It's working. It's too fluffy. Okay, I'm only gonna add the glitter when it's done and it's fully mixed in. I added in too much, didn't I?
No, not done yet.
What shaving cream's in there? This, oh, I'm so excited since it's white glue. It's a very glossy one. I don't think this is getting anywhere.
You want to help you mix it?
Yes. Okay, watch this satisfying slime drizzle. We added some more drops of activator. I don't know, like maybe a couple, like 1. Okay, yeah, more like 4, but oh, it's okay. Okay, so we have it coming off the edges here. That's a good sign. But it's not really coming together. How do you think this will become one?
I don't know. I'm gonna keep mixing it for a minute.
Yes. Look, it's coming.
Nice.
Oh gosh, that's really.
You gonna take it out?
No,
It's coming away from the side.
it's actually just going back to the side. Bubbles. This is not working.
It is too.
How about is it slime now?
It looks like slime. Pulling
No,
off
it
the
doesn't.
edges. It's,
Melting.
Look. No, it's not. It's stiff
Back
right
down.
there. See? It's not sticking to your hands. That's why you gotta work it.
Going in.
Alright.
Wait, we're barely going in. We're kind of going in. Okay, guys, we're gonna work this for a little bit. Wait, hold on. Stop it. Stop doing
I'm trying to
this
get that out of your way.
Okay, nice. I got it.
Ready?
I'm just gonna be stirring with my finger. Because we have the fork already out.
Take it out.
No, I'm not gonna do that. See, like it's also coming off now, so this is kind of not working.
It's working great.
It looks like shaving.
Pull it out. Look, see, pull from the side. See?
Yeah, it just sticks more there.
Go like this.
No, that just sticks more, and it's not, and it's gonna stick to my hand forever.
Oh, well, wash your hands.
Grab a little bit.
No, you just grabbed all the wet stuff on top. Grab the stuff from the sides and then work it. There you go.
Feels kind of like yogurt. One time I made yogurt slime. That was cool. This is very bad. I can Dad, why'd you make me stick my hand in there?
Because you need to work it.
But it doesn't work, is the thing.
Look, need some more activator?
No!
If it's not firm, need more activator.
Okay, fine. The many other slimes I made have had too
There.
much activator.
Oh, maybe.
Oh my gosh, how do you do this? Yes, you could do that. Thank
No,
you.
here, you can do it.
But I can't.
Why?
I have to use my palms.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. I can't do it. You got it. I'll hold it. Oh my gosh, this isn't working.
Now what?
My dad's gonna turn you guys off for a sec so he can mix it. So my dad mixes it in only for like 1 second. Oh, and it's working better. Oh, it's so wet. That is not working better. That is just stickier. Stickier because it's more liquidy. That just takes that out.
There you go.
Oh gosh.
You got
Dad,
it.
you overactivated it.
There's still some in
When
there.
it's slimy and slips apart like that, that does not work. That's
There's
bad,
more in there though. Get the.
I think. Guys, I've never felt this before.
You just don't like to touch it.
I don't like to touch it. This is my first time just doing it. Oh gosh, it looks like
There's a bunch in the
pasta.
bowl still.
No,
It'll help get that not
looks
so.
like cheese. I gotta work this first. I cannot.
There you go. Oh yeah. Nice.
This is not working so well.
It looks great.
It's just not working so well with my hands. He's not being very nice.
Your slime is a he?
Yes.
What's his name?
It's actually, yeah, it's a he.
What's your slime's name?
His name is Smarty Pants. Yeah.
Smarty Pants and doesn't even have any pants.
His name is Smarty Pants. No. He's literally just legs, and so the pink is his pink pants.
Ah.
And he's very
So
smart.
he's literally just pants.
Yeah. Okay, fine. He does have a head and body. And slimy arms. But
Look, that's turned
oh
out
wait,
pretty
it's
good.
coming out. It's coming out. It's coming together now. We just gotta get the slimy part that hasn't been connected yet. Look at this. This is like,
It looks pretty good.
I wanted it to be a very glossy like slime.
It looks pretty glossy.
Instead, it's not so glossy. Do you
Really?
know what? No, what
It's pretty
glossy?
glossy. Shiny, glossy like shiny.
Glossy is like shiny, but a whole nother level.
True. How do you make it shiny?
I have no clue actually.
Oh,
Maybe lotion?
no. That just makes it wet.
No, it just makes slime softer. My arm is getting sore.
Okay.
But wait, I gotta get this off my hands. You have to see the grander feel of when it's off my hands. See, look,
think it's
this
off
is
your
how you
hands.
get it off your hands if it's sticky. Just keep passing it back and forth. Each time it goes to the other hand, it'll get slime. You cannot go like, dun, dun, dun. You can only go. And it's now off. See you guys in the next, give this video 1 thumbs up, turn on the notifications, give me 1 subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, woo! #SmartyPants!